आप सुन रहे हैं समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया का ऑडियो बुलेटिन।
You are listening the national level audio bulletin of the Samachar Agency of India on Sunday 21st June 2020. Now you hear the news from Preeti Bhosle. The number of infected patients of COVID-19, the country has increased the number by 4,10,461. The active cases and recovered cases are 2,27,756. In Maharashtra, 1,28,205 and recovered cases 64,153. In Tamil Nadu, 56,845 is active cases and recovered cases are 31,316. In Delhi, active cases are 56,746 and recovered cases are 31,294. In Gujarat, 26,680 are the active cases and recovered cases are 18,694. In Uttar Pradesh, active cases are 16,594 and recovered cases are 9,995. In Rajasthan, active cases are found 14,536 and recovered cases are 11,274. In West Bengal, active cases are found 13,531 and recovered cases are 7,865. In Madhya Pradesh, active cases are 11,724, recovered cases are 8,880. In Haryana, active cases are 10,223 and recovered cases are 5,128. In Karnataka, active cases are 8,697 and recovered cases are 5,391. In Andhra Pradesh, total cases are found 8,452 and recovered cases are 4,111. In Bihar, active cases are 7,533 and recovered cases are 5,529. In Telangana, active cases are found 7,072 and recovered cases are found 3,506. The 6th International Day of Yoga is being celebrated today. The celebration commences with the message from Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the televised message. He said yoga brings the people together and gives the message for the universal brotherhood. And yoga has emerged as a force of unity and it does not discriminate and goes beyond race, color, gender, faith and nations. He also said yoga help us to strengthen our respiratory human system, which plays a crucial part of the dealing with the diseases. Mr. Modi said the world is realizing the potential of the yoga in this coronavirus pandemic. People affected with the coronavirus are utilize the benefit of yoga. He also said the coronavirus hits our respiratory system and several breathing exercise like a pranayam, alom vilom strengthen our respiratory system. And also taking a part in the My Life, My Yoga video blogging contest during the coronavirus pandemic show that the enthusiasm for the yoga is increasing. He also said the theme of the International Day of the Yoga this year is Yoga at Home, Yoga with Family, and when the family member perform yoga and energy flow into the house. Therefore, at the time, Yoga Day is also day emotional yoga, and it is a day of increase our family bonding. He appealed to the people to embrace the yoga as a day routine activity. Home Minister Amit Shah said that the yoga is a medium of the establishment, harmony between the body and mind, action and thought, and man and nature. In a tweet, he said this is a precious gift of Indian culture, has been given the global acceptance by the effort of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. President Ramnath Kovind today greeted the people on occasion of the 6th International Day of Yoga. In a tweet, he said the ancient science of the yoga is India's greatest gift to the world. And he said, amid the stress and the especially in a COVID-19 pandemic situation, practicing yoga can help keeps the body fit. And the president said it is a glad to see that more and more people are adopting it. Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship has been said that over 96,000 people have been trained as a yoga instructor and trainer under the Skill India mission. The ministry in a statement said that have been trained through the different skill initiatives under the Pradhan Mantri Kushal Vikas Yojana recognition of the proper learning and short-term training and especially project. The state with the highest number of the skill candidates are Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Kerala and West Bengal. Many Bollywood celebrities have pledged their support for the International Day of the Yoga being celebrated today. Numerous celebrities and the influencers have been shared the motivational message and thoughts encouraging people to the practice it in the International Day of Yoga. Some of the celebrities including the well-known actors Akshay Kumar, Anusha Sharma, Milind Soman, Shilpa Shetty, Kundra in their the promotion message shared with the Ministry of the Ayush. They have been emphasized that the yoga is practiced with the UTs people across the world for the common cause and convey the message of the peace and harmony. In Madhya Pradesh, a special session focusing on online yoga was organized in Indore on the occasion of International Day of Yoga. Thousands of people joined this session from their homes yesterday. At the same time, Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan has also appealed to people to do yoga inside the home so that the corona infection spread can be prevented. International Day of Yoga being celebrated in Maharashtra, including the Mumbai, under the cloud of the COVID-19 pandemic. Various virtual sessions and the programs are being held in the Mumbai to celebrate the day. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh will pay the visit to the Moscow to attend the victory parade on the 24th of this month to commemorate the 27th anniversary of the victory in the Second World War. The parade is organized to honor the heroism and the sacrifice made by the Russian and other friendly people. Russian Defense Minister Sergei Shoigu had invited the Mr. Singh to the victory parade, which was organized the scheduled date on the 9th of the May, but was postponed due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has launched a massive rural public works scheme, the Garib Kalyan Rozgar Abhiyan. In the 6th state, he said the Abhiyan will be provided the livelihood opportunities to the migrant workers and will be help to development of the rural areas by the creating local infrastructure. Union Home Minister Amit Shah has thanked the Prime Minister Narendra Modi for the launching 50,000 crore rupees Garib Kalyan Rozgar Abhiyan. It will be provide the relief and the empower migrant workers and the poor who are the facing challenges due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Delhi Lieutenant Colonel Anil Banjal has rolled back the earlier order of the 5 days mandatory institutional quarantine for the COVID-19 patient in the national capital. In a tweet, Mr. Banjal said that only those the COVID-19 positive cases who do not require the hospitalization on the clinical assessment and do not have the adequate facilities for the home isolation will be required to undergo institutional isolation. The LG yesterday chaired the meeting of the Delhi Disaster Management Authority with the Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and Deputy CM Manish Sisodia and a senior officer. He informed that DDMA has approved the recommendation of the high-level expert committee for fixing the subsidized rate for the COVID treatment in the private hospital of the Delhi. The Indian Meteorological Department has said that the conditions are becoming favorable for the further advancement for the southwest monsoon into the some more part of the Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand over the next 2 or 3 days. According to IMD, the monsoon will be make the onset of Delhi, Haryana and Punjab around the June 24-25. According to the weather expert, the monsoon is likely to arrive 2 or 3 days earlier in the Delhi because of the cyclonic circulation over West Bengal and the neighborhood which moved toward the southern west Uttar Pradesh yesterday. You were listening the national level audio bulletin from the Samachar Agency of India from Preeti Bhosle on Sunday 21st June 2020. We will be take this bulletin again on Monday 22 June 2020. If you like this bulletin, then you must be like it, subscribe and share it. We will be present again. Till then, goodbye.